What's going on, mother truckers, man? I had like 60 subscribers send me this image, man, and people are asking what the hell's going on here. Some even said, is it safe to drive on? I would say, heck no, do not drive on that. My professional experience tells me, and I'm here, get close to me now. Get close to me now. Basically, every 100 years, a mama tire gives birth to a new baby tire. And this is how it starts. Ooh. Now, okay, so if you do not get that reference, then yeah, you weren't a 80s, 90s Lion King kid. But no, definitely do not drive on that. I've seen this happen before. I've seen it happen a lot actually with recaps where they just don't put it on right, and for some reason the air seeps through somewhere that's loose, and then boom, a bulge. But definitely, mother truckers, do not drive on this. What do you think it is? Because it looks like those are like super single tires. I'm not sure though, but mother truckers, comment down below. I know there's a lot of experts out there that could say what this is, but for all you newbies, do not drive on that tire. Don't touch it. I know you want to touch it like a pimple. Don't do it. Mother truckers, comment down below and let me know what the hell is wrong with this tire.